Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel, where we help you turn your business ideas into reality. If you're thinking about starting a CCTV and security installation business in South Africa, this is the video for you. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know to get started, including the costs, the skills required, where to learn them, and how much you can expect to make per month. So, let's dive right in. In South Africa, security is a priority for many homes and businesses. With crime rates rising, demand for CCTV systems, alarms, and access control services is increasing. Whether it's installing surveillance cameras in homes or setting up alarm systems for businesses, you can build a solid and profitable business by offering these services. Now, let's talk numbers. To start a CCTV and security installation business, you'll need an initial investment for tools, equipment, and training. Here's a breakdown of the costs. Tools and equipment: CCTV cameras and kits, 10,000 to 25,000. Ladders, drills, and wiring tools, 5,000 to 10,000. Other installation tools, 2,000 to 5,000. Business registration and licensing, company registration and compliance, 1,000 to 2,000. Training and certification, entry-level training for CCTV and alarm installation, 3,000 to 10,000, depending on the course. Marketing and website, basic website and branding, 2,000 to 5,000. Advertising, social media and flyers, 1,000 to 3,000. So, in total, you're looking at around 20,000 to 50,000 to get up and running. You can start small and scale as your business grows. Now, let's talk about potential earnings. How much can you make as a CCTV and security installer in South Africa? Small residential installations, charging 3,000 to 6,000 per job, completing 5 jobs a month. 15,000 to 30,000. Business/commercial installations, charging 10,000 to 30,000 per job, completing 2 to 3 jobs a month. 20,000 to 90,000. If you're doing smaller residential jobs, you can make 15,000 to 30,000 a month. But if you land a few commercial or business contracts, you could easily bring in 40,000 to 90,000 a month or more. To succeed in this business, you'll need the right skills. Luckily, there are plenty of options for learning how to install CCTV, alarms, and access control systems. Here are a few places to consider. Prudence Training College courses, CCTV installation, alarm systems, access control cost, 3,500 to 8,000 per course. Duration, 5 days to 2 weeks. Nexus Training Academy courses, CCTV surveillance, fire alarm systems, electric fencing. Cost, 4,000 to 10,000. Duration, 1 week to 3 weeks. Online learning platforms, Udemy, Allison, courses, CCTV installation and maintenance. Cost, 500 to 2,000. Duration, self-paced. Depending on your budget, you can choose between physical training centers or online courses. It's important to not only learn the technical side but also keep up with new technologies in security and networking. Once you're set up, the next step is growing your business. Here are a few tips to get your name out there and start attracting clients. Offer special promotions to first-time customers or bundle deals for full home or business security systems. Build relationships with real estate agents or developers, as they can refer clients who are building or renovating properties. Leverage social media marketing. Share your work on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp groups. Provide excellent after-sales service. Maintenance contracts can give you a steady stream of income. So, there you have it. Starting a CCTV and security installation business in South Africa can be profitable with the right skills and investment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more business tips.